Hi, I'm Steven, and I'm part of the team at Slack. I'm going to show you how to send direct messages in Slack. Direct messages are perfect for one-off conversations that don't need everyone in a channel to weigh in. To write a message, click the Compose button and start typing someone's name in the To field. Add more names if you want to start a group message. I'm going to send Jagveer a quick message asking to reschedule our meeting because I'm busy recording this video. When you're done typing out your message, just hit enter or click send. Pretty simple. Check out our other videos or visit slack.com/help to learn more. Thanks for watching.